Got a business idea that you want to become a success, but you've been procrastinating? I totally get it because I'm a procrastinator myself, and hell, making a business plan can be overwhelming AF. But that's what's holding you back from landing investors and making it big. Welcome, y'all. I'm Wit, and I'm going to share one of my favorite AI tools with you for creating a winning business plan, one that aligns with the growing use of AI technology in business. That tool is called Dime a Dozen AI. Look, most people don't even realize you can actually use AI to develop a comprehensive investor ready business plan in just minutes. So, let's say you've got this idea, super passionate about it, but when you sit down to actually put it together, a business plan, it's just overwhelming. There are so many components to account for, from marketing, operations, financials, and much more. Where do you even start? That's where Dime a Dozen comes in. And it's an AI platform that automatically generates a complete business plan for your idea in just minutes. You just enter the details about your business and it spits out a professional, investor ready plan with all key sections covered. Here, let me show you how it works. I want y'all to head over to Dime a Dozen AI. Here, it's going to walk you through a few questions, three approximately, to inquire about your business idea in order for it to create the plan for you. So I'll go ahead and put in AI with WIT. You're going to want to describe your business. So if you already have a description of your business, awesome. Maybe you have like a sentence worth of what you think your business is or what you want it to consist of. Go ahead and put that in there. If you don't have one, head over to Google Gemini or head on over to ChatGPT and inquire to get a business description. Keep in mind, this is a 500 character limit. So I'm going to go ahead and put an example in here. I'm going to put an online repository for AI tools. Then you'll hit next. It's going to bring you to the second question. The second question is going to be about monetization. How will you monetize this AI tool repository? If you don't have any ideas of how you want to monetize it, that's okay. There's a suggestion item here that Dime a Dozen will provide using their AI and will give you monetization strategies. So I went ahead and used the suggestions they had. This is what it came up with. Monetization strategies can include freemium models, subscription fees, and premium tools, pay per use, etc. So I'm going to stick with that. You can change this, make any changes you want. I'm going to leave it just as is and hit next. Then it's going to bring you to the third question. How will you attract or retain platform users? This is your target audience, your users. I have no idea. Hey, so again, there's the suggestion box. And we'll go ahead and take the suggestion that Dime a Dozen gives us. It says you'll attract users by offering valuable, exclusive AI tools that are not easily found. I love how the direction this is going because this is truly a website that I'm going to develop and bring the tools that I have to you guys for you to freely use, search, and be able to find any of the tools that can help you in your journey. All right. So I'm going to leave that as is, and I'm going to go ahead and hit generate report. We'll wait a little bit while it generates the report. What will happen with the report is the initial summary that generates is going to be the description of the overview that you provided, along with the monetization strategy you provided or that it came up with, as well as how you want to attract users. So it just put it into a summary here. What also is on this page, which is the best feature, I love this shit. So it's the pivot ideas. This is business ideas that it generated based off of your initial idea. So it's telling me, and it's giving you a name for the business. AI Tool Hub. AI Tool Hub, an online marketplace for AI tools. These are just pivot ideas. And so from one idea, it generated like 20 other businesses that I can either start separately, or I can iterate my initial business idea in the future to include these particular additional ideas. So I love that feature. All right, I'm going to go back to the top and we're going to go to view report. Now, the first initial information that you get is going to be free, but it's very basic. The business summary, again, is what has been taken from what you input on the questionnaire. It then provides you a business overview, business viability, and it breaks it down into problem, solution, etc. What you will need to pay for are the additional items here that are currently locked. So you see monetization strategies, user pain points, revenue, market opportunities. These are not free. However, let's view the pricing. If you click unlock, you can get the full report for $49, but I definitely would suggest paying $109 to get 5 reports. I previously ordered 5 reports. I've used all of my credits, so I'm not going to validate the idea that we're currently reviewing, but I will go ahead and show you one that I previously completed so that you can get an idea of what it really consists of and what it looks like. So I'm going to come out of this and I'm going to go to my dashboard and pull up one of the completed business ideas that I purchased the full report for. All right, so I'm going to click view report. And we're going to scroll down to the sections that were locked, starting at monetization strategy. This tool is the bomb.com, y'all. If you don't want to do the research, you don't really have the time, you don't have the money to be hiring nobody else to do this tool is going to it's going to save you, period. That's all I got to say. So, monetization strategies. It came up with ideas I couldn't have even fathomed coming up with myself. So, that's what I love about AI. It's like it reaches outside of the realm of what you know and pulls from all different knowledge that it has access to. So, I love this. So, you'll get multiple monetization strategies. I love the user pain point breakdown. Coming from a customer experience background, users and user pain point is highly important in your product or service that you're providing. This will help you identify how you are providing a solution to your audience, your target audience. So definitely read over that information if you purchase the full report. It also breaks down potential risk. So you can have monetization challenges. All of this will be different based off of your particular business idea. It gives you a why now. Why would this be important now in today's date and time? Important information. It gives you unknown factors, hypotheses. I'm going to continue. The market research is also tier 1. Market research can be a pain in the ass, especially for someone who's a novice or has no experience doing market research and you can't afford to purchase that. This is phenomenal. So it gives you the market research, the trends, who your target audience is or customers. It also gives you a competitive analysis. This right here lets you know who's your competitor, what are their strengths and weaknesses. What you really want to focus on is their weaknesses, because that's where you're going to swoop in and you're going to feel that gap. You're going to feel those pain points. So pay attention to those things. Market size and growth potential, how you can grow, your consumers' behavior. How do your audience, your target customers behave? These things are important to how you can market to them and all other information you can gather from that. Customer segmentation. Again, this is a breakdown of your target audience. Some legal stuff, regulatory, key considerations. This right here, the launch and scale, is highly important. And it really helped me. Some of us get so stuck in our heads thinking that, hey, the product or service or app or website we provide has to be perfect as we thought about it. That's how we want to put it out. And that's the only way to put it out. That's really what hindered me from moving forward with anything, is that I felt my product had to definitely be exactly what and how I thought of it. However, this gives you an MVP, which is minimum viable product. This is the most basic level of how your product can start and how you can get it launched and going immediately. And then you continue to iterate on it, make it better, improve, add the additional features that you want. I mean, hey, Instagram, Facebook, etc. Nobody all started with everything all at once. It continued to improve, they continued to update, they continued to add more features. That's how you can move forward with your product or service. It gives you a hiring roadmap and costs. Y'all, this this right here, operational costs. How much is it going to cost for you to run this business? And if you're looking for an investor, your investors want this information. You can't go on Shark Tank not knowing how much your operational costs are or how much you need to pay people. You want to be ahead of the game. You want to have this information so that you are able to present and pitch to an investor to help fund your business. It gives you a tech stack. Tech stack is what are the tools or technology that you need for your product or service? How are you going to build your product if it needs technology? Some of us may not require a tech stack, but it will be in there for those who do. All right, let's continue on. It gives you an AI or machine learning implementation plan, analytics and metrics. Metrics are highly important. How are you going to define success? How are you going to identify if you've met any goals if you don't have any metrics? So, these are things that a lot of people don't think about or consider when starting a business because you're more so just thinking about providing your service or providing your product. And these are the things that will prevent your business from moving forward. Also, it gives you something else that is super awesome. Oh, customer retention, marketing ideas, website FAQs. It developed whole FAQ for me. I didn't even have to do that. Of course, you would want to read and adjust the verbiage, adjust anything that doesn't fit your brand, your brand's voice. All of that is important. It gives you SEO terms for your website, how to raise capital. It gives you a whole pitch deck. It gives you an elevator pitch. So if you're on the elevator with someone, a potential investor or anyone you want to share your business idea with, 30-second pitch already created. You don't have to create it. But y'all, I don't know what else to tell you. This tool is wild, right? This AI is literally doing all of the heavy lifting for you in just seconds. It put together a whole executive summary, company overview, market analysis, marketing plan, operations plan, financial projections, basically everything you need or an investor would want to see. So, if you're ambitious, ready to validate your big idea and turn it into real money, get yourself over to Dime a Dozen AI. Walk, don't run, run, don't walk, and let this tool do the heavy lifting. Drop a comment below and let me know what's the business idea you've been sitting on that you want to bring to life this year. I'll pick one idea and I'll do a live demo breaking down how Dime a Dozen AI would map out the entire business plan and strategy for that concept. All right, there you have it, y'all. Let's stop procrastinating and let's use AI to our advantage to launch successful businesses. Like, subscribe, and follow. I'm out. Bye.